Have you ever taken a step back to look at what your asset performance really looks like? Back in 2008, we asked ourselves that very question, embarking on the largest data-driven study of asset performance ever conducted, spanning 18 countries, with over 500 participating projects, totaling 85,000 years of asset performance data. And when we set about analysing all these inputs, we discovered that performance doesn't look like lower operational costs, greater asset hours, or achieving 1 or 2 KPIs. Asset performance actually looks like this: a curve. On the left, we see a number of poorly performing assets, and as we graduate to the right, we see performance improving, but with more and more competitors all vying to outperform each other. Suddenly, we see an acute drop-off in the number of businesses able to break through to perform at their true potential. We call these special few Quartile One performers. And as a consequence of our study, we have a proven process to pinpoint the interdependent variables that directly contribute toward the overall success of your organization. With our data, expertise, and systems on your side, Quartile One provides you the insight you need to not only achieve Quartile One performance, but stay there. We help leaders to better connect with the performance of their assets, empowering confident, everyday decision-making. Guided by data, we break down the complexities, helping our partners to focus on addressing the issues that actually matter, and to calibrate your operation in decisive increments, ensuring change comes hand in hand with results. Time and again, we've proven our methodology across multiple industries and asset types, including open cut and underground equipment, marine infrastructure, processing plants, and rail networks. But no matter the partner or business objectives, we always have the same goal: to show you what performance could look like and help you find your winning edge, so that you too can edge ahead on the curve toward Quartile One.